If you are seeing the couldn't refresh feed error on Instagram, here's how to fix it on Android. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can prevent Instagram from loading. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restarting your router, or using a different network. Next, restart the Instagram app, close it completely and reopen it. If that doesn't work, restart your phone to refresh system processes. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and update it if available. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram to clear any corrupted files. Try clearing Instagram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram in the list, then Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This helps remove temporary data that may be causing issues. Check if Instagram is down by visiting Down Detector or searching Twitter for user reports. If Instagram's server are having problems, you'll need to wait for them to be fixed. If you are using a VPN, disable it. Instagram may block certain IP addresses, preventing your feed from refreshing. Make sure your date and time settings are correct. Go to Settings, then Additional Setting, Date and Time, and enable Set Time automatically. Incorrect time settings can interfere with Instagram's server. If none of these steps work, log out and log back into your account. You can also try logging in from a different device or browser to check if the issue is account related. As a last resort, report the issue to Instagram by going to Settings, Help, Report a problem, and explaining the issue. That's it. Hopefully your Instagram feed will refresh smoothly again. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.